Venerable Ajahn Chaya, Chapter 5, The Fire of Decay. It is a matter of fact that once the fire of birth takes place, the fire of decay burns constantly until the end of life. For the most part, though, we fail to take notice of this reality as we proceed through our daily lives of seeking pleasure in eating, drinking, merrymaking, and sleeping. Despite our ignorance of it, the fire of decay burns without rest second by second. It starts with the embryo, whose body only gets older and older. Throughout our lives, we are growing older day by day, month by month, and year by year. Most people look at their faces in the mirror every day. As they do, they might reflect on how good and beautiful their skin looks, how beautiful or handsome they are, or how cute and lovable their features are. What they don't always notice, though, are the signs of aging and decay that are present. As they study themselves, happy and proud, they overlook the burning of the fire of decay. We can touch any part of our body and feel warmth, which is nothing more than the fire of decay itself. As it burns, the value of this body decreases day by day. We fail to see this cruel reality unfolding in our very presence. Our ignorance clouds the mind and blinds the eyes once again, and we thereby have no opportunity to see the truth of the matter. Fortunately, the Buddha pointed out this grim reality for us to acknowledge and try to make wise sense of. There is an otherwise unnoticeable decay taking place regardless. The aging of the body is very easy to understand, yet that's not the case for the mind. Except for those Brahma 44, extinguishing the fires in the formless sphere, mind depends on body. As the body gets old, the mind likewise ages and weakens. How do we know that the mind is getting old? When we're young, our memory and intelligence are bright and excellent. How about when we're old? It's harder for us to learn new things, right? Although we might have spent most of our lives studying the holy scriptures of the Buddha, we might eventually forget them. Have you ever laughed as an older person searched for eyeglasses already perched on the crown of the head? Isn't this a sign of that person's mind aging? The starting point of mind and matter is jati, which we might call birth, and the ending point is marana, death. The point in between is called jara, decay. The circle of birth, decay, and death turns over and over until the end of the death consciousness of the highest saint. It's only then that the fuels of defilement are gone, and the fires of birth, decay, and death cease forever. In the meantime, and in line with the natures of mind and matter, with every moment, birth, decay, and death are constantly spinning as a wheel. After birth and before death there is decay. In other words, whatever mind or matter arises finally disappears. Before disappearing, there is a very short static moment. There is just this arising, static and vanishing. Arising is birth, the static moment is decay, and vanishing is death. If there is no birth, there is no decay. If there is no decay, there is no death. But it is precisely because we first have birth that we next have decay. Death inevitably follows. A person who practices meditation most easily understands this functioning of mind and matter. 45.